Welcome to another episode of Yummy in 45. We are going to show you a flavor blast transformation that we are going to do using our daily ingredients that we find in our house. What is so special about these ingredients? What is the flavor blast transformation we are going to make? There is one secret that I'm going to share with you. You take 3 habanero peppers.
I'm Jay. I'm making hot sauce.
Chopped all the veggies and squeezed the juice from lemons. We're going to boil our base ingredients in about 2 cups of water. The reason we put bell peppers and tomatoes is because we need to give the right balanced body, and bell peppers gives it a tad bit of sweet taste and another dimension to the texture. Start off our dish, habanero peppers. Again, be careful because once you touch the habanero peppers, stay away from touching your face or any part of body because it's going to burn you really good. A little sprinkle of cilantro so that the flavor gets infused right from the start. And then our black peppers, coriander and cumin. Bring in your salt. In store-bought sauces, you will see a lot of vinegar, but here we are using the lemon juice. I don't like using vinegar. This gives the acid that's kind of breaking down the veggies. Look at the beautiful colors. It is going to be amazing. So every color brings a different kind of flavor into the dish. We're going to cover and cook it for about 10-12 minutes until the veggies discolor a little bit. We are about 5 minutes into the boiling process. Veggies have started to discolor a little bit. Wow, the flavors are just amazing. I can already smell the hot sauce basic flavor, what it is going to be. This is about 10 minutes. All of the veggies have discolored enough, and we are going to put in the paprika powder. This is smoked paprika powder. Remember, paprika powder does not have any spice. You don't have to worry. That only adds you the deep red color that you want, and it gives you a little smoky flavor as well. We're going to cook it for 2 more minutes today with the lid open to just let some extra water evaporate. Transfer the boiled ingredients into a blender. Blend the ingredients. Yeah, do it.
More?
Yeah, increase the speed with this one. I'm going to put in the remaining cilantro and give it one last spin. We are giving it a last spin after we put the cilantro and we adjust it for the salt. If you want a little bit more lemon, this is where you would adjust it. Let's see how it turned out. Wow, this is amazingly flavorful, full body, and look at the texture. That's better than any store-bought hot sauce you've got. Now let's get a taste. Wow. There is a party happening in my mouth. I'm going to get my wings and enjoy this sauce with my wings and with the barbecue in the evening. You guys to enjoy. We have some amazing chicken wings made in our air fryer, and we're going to try with our hot sauce today. Wow. I'm sure you all will like it. Please enjoy. Today, a flavor but Today we will take some daily ingredients and show you daily ingredients.
Okay.
We will take some daily ingredients and show you how we transform them into a flavorful black flash. Cut.